Hello, my name is Julie. Please come and see the show. It's all about violence. It's terribly exciting because lots of people get terribly hurt, which isn't good. But it's okay because there's always love. Isn't there, Hitler?
Yes. There is. I mean, there is always hope and serenity. It's not all violence. There's some, enough, just palatable for you to take a bite. But the rest of it is just wonderful. I like this garden.
So wise then. So wise.
Hello, my name is Mina. My full name is Amina Kuswadinoto. I don't know, my ma'am, she's very fierce. I got free tickets to watch this show. I love birds and I love the cuckoo. Yeah.
Mina, come back!
Hey, ma'am.
I have a grandmother who's always on my case, and I've got this wonderful, wonderful love for this cuckoo bird. No bird, just bird. Crow, in fact, and you know, every time we get into intimate moments, grandmother comes in.
Go inside!
Like that. I'm brutally punished. I'm beaten. It's so violent, but I do it beautifully. Thank you. Come watch the show.
Regretfully they tell us, but firmly they compel us to say goodbye.